Trusted by our valued client, Keto Group. DV Group, with its own investment, has built a complete steam boiler system to supply 20 tons per hour of steam for a Keto Group subsidiary. Our investment covers the entire boiler house and the complete fluidized bed boiler system, while also connecting steam pipelines and condensate lines to the factory's production system. DV Group produces clean steam and supplies it directly to the client's production process. Steam usage is measured by a steam flow meter. Clients pay DV Group for steam consumption, similar to buying electricity from EVN or water from the municipal supplier. This boiler is a biomass-fired fluidized bed boiler manufactured by DV Boiler, a brand of DV Group. Let us now explore each part of the biomass fluidized bed boiler system. First, the fuel feeding system. Fuel is loaded into the underground hopper by wheel loader. Then, a conveyor transports the fuel to the feed chute and into the furnace. In this project, the main fuel is wood chips. In addition, the boiler can use other biomass fuels such as sawdust, ground rice husk, cashew shell, and Indonesian coal. Oxygen for combustion is supplied by the primary and secondary air fans. Fuel burns, generating hot flue gas that rises and enters the boiler body after radiant heat transfer in the furnace. In the furnace, 40 to 50% of the steam is generated by radiant heat transfer through the water tubes. In the boiler body, the remaining steam is produced by convective heat transfer via horizontal fire tubes immersed in water inside the cylindrical shell. This is the rear smoke box door, which can be opened for cleaning fire tubes and also allows quick tube replacement. Touch the smoke box surface. See, perfectly safe. We applied thorough insulation to minimize heat loss. After heat exchange in the boiler body, flue gas continues to the economizer, heating feed water before entering the boiler. The economizer raises feed water temperature up to 150 degrees Celsius, significantly saving fuel costs. Next, flue gas passes through the air preheater, using waste heat to warm combustion air up to 120 degrees Celsius. This improves fuel ignition and combustion efficiency, even with high moisture biomass. After heat recovery, the flue gas enters the cyclone dust collector to remove ash particles. Here, over 85% of fly ash is separated. Then the bag filter captures nearly 100% of the remaining fine dust before release. Ash is collected in the hopper and discharged by rotary via a neck. Next is the induced draft fan, drawing flue gas from the furnace through the heat recovery system. This is the wet scrubber tower. We added this unit as backup, ensuring higher dust treatment efficiency. At this stage, 100% of fine dust is removed by venturi spraying technology. Ash settles at the bottom tank and is periodically discharged. Clean flue gas is released to the atmosphere through the chimney. This water tank stores condensate from the production line and treated water, ready for automatic pumping into the boiler. Our water treatment system uses cation exchange with salt and chemicals to prevent corrosion and scaling inside the boiler. The feed water pump automatically supplies water through the economizer and into the boiler, controlled by water level sensors. This is the system of water level sensors, pressure gauges, pressure and temperature transmitters. Here are the safety valves and fittings installed on the boiler, all carefully selected and quality tested. This is the boiler blowdown system. From this position, operators can perform blowdown at any required point. To ensure system efficiency, a professional control cabinet is essential. This is the central control cabinet of the boiler system. All parameters are displayed and controlled on the touchscreen panel. All motors are equipped with inverters for maximum power saving. Switchgear and electrical components are from leading Japanese and European brands, ensuring reliability. Note, the control room must be enclosed and air-conditioned for stable operation. Now let us observe the boiler flue gas in real operation. Flue gas from this 20T boiler fluidized bed system fully complies with environmental standards. DNViet Group commits to supporting the government in reducing greenhouse gas emissions under the Paris Climate Agreement signed by Vietnam.